Have you ever thought of driving a car in pitch dark without the headlight? Can we build a building without the blueprint? Clarity is everything. Clarity gives us the power. The power of clarity can make even the complex things most simple. And without clarity, definitely it is going to be very dangerous, as well as the time consumed is going to be at least two times more than what it really takes to do it. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 W's of how you can build the clarity. Before we take up anything in our life, addressing these 5 W's is going to give us the complete clarity. The first W stands for what to do. It is very essential that we know what to do before we start to do anything. Research indicates that when we write down what to do in a clear and specific manner, it gives the mind the clarity and the confidence to start operating in those lines. The second W stands for when to do. It is very essential that we have a start and end time frame in our mind before we do anything. As much as how it is important to start something, the same way it is important to complete it within the deadline. Most of the time we keep dragging on the something if we do not have the clarity of how we can complete it or when we can complete it. When we give our mind the time frame to complete, it automatically processes how to complete it and ensures that it gets completed within that time frame. The third W stands for why to do. This is the most important phase of clarity, because the why or the reason or the intention that we are going to be fixing up, the purpose, that is everything. Research indicate that it is very essential to have a mission and vision in our mind written down before we start doing anything, and this is going to be that energy or fuel that makes us complete the task with enthusiasm and with a sense of contribution. The fourth W stands for who should be involved. Most of the time, we stress ourselves by not considering other people and ensuring that we are doing everything by ourselves. However, whenever we identify the right people to get associated with, the job completion takes place easily and also more efficiently. The final W stands for which is the best way of doing it. It is important that we list all the options and find out which is the best option that will help us and all the people around us in the long run. Please refer to the video on facing the falls, which I've described in the description box, to understand the power technique that can help us choose the right way of doing things. Let me summarize this for you. The first W stands for what to do, second stands for when to do, third stands for why to do, and fourth stands for who should be involved, and the fifth one stands for which is the best way of doing it. Once we have the answers for all these 5 W's, it helps us complete any task that we take up in our life with clarity, confidence, and utmost efficiency. Here is my question to you. What is that area or task in your life that you wanted to take up to use these 5 W's to get clarity in it? Please post your answers in the comment box below to help other people also seek clarity in those aspects. I hope this video was very useful for you to attain clarity in all aspects of your life. Press the thumbs up button below to indicate that you like this video, and also press the subscribe button and the all bell icon to ensure that you get regular updates of all the videos that we keep posting.
This is Dr. Purni, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring, and counseling. And we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success that they truly deserve.